Welcome to LT Outdoors, the channel with everything the outdoor world has to offer. The sun is coming up, bobber's going down. Fish are all a-biting and jumping all around. Let's hook up the boat, come on, let's go. It's time for LT Outdoors. I'm talking LT Outdoors. Might go hunting, fishing, metal detecting, might even do a little fortune too. I'm talking LT Outdoors. I hope you enjoy the show. Look at that. Feels like something big here. Oh, that is cool. Wow, look at that. That is neat. I don't know what that's for. That's cool though, especially it's still got the red paint. Looks like part of an old, maybe for a plow. Man, that is a neat piece there. I can't wait to get that all cleaned up nice. That's a cool old farm piece there. Big old night crawler. Look at that. Yep, just a piece of can. Huh, that piece of can wasn't the only thing I was reading in the hole. This was actually popped out on the surface. I must have knocked it out. At first I thought it was just a regular old bolt, but it's not. It's something kind of funky, but it's got a name on it. Kearney, Toronto, St. Louis. And then it's got a patent number. Canada, 1929. Hey, cool. Whatever this is, it's got some age. I'll take it. Jeez, what is this? Yeah, I don't think I've ever dug I think it's a hair straightener. Norelco Chic. Gosh, yeah, I don't think I've ever dug one of these before. Oh, that's neat. I don't know what this is off of, but it says England on it. Hey, that's cool. I'll take that. Yep, that's a real neat little what's it. It's like a hitch ring or something. Fluid side. Must be part of an old car part or something. I don't like tearing up the yard, but gotta see what this sign says. Oh, I'll be darned, it's a full service sign. that something? Yeah, I've never dug a sign like this before. Well, battery died, guys, but I was not going to give up. When I felt that it was a chain, I was going to go all out, but luckily it's nothing giant, so it didn't take me too long to get her out. But yeah, nice old chain. Oh, that's cool. Old Hammerhead. That's first for me for the year. Ball peen. That's an oldie. Ooh, first coin. That's a dime. Ah, dang. It ain't silver, it's close, but 1967, so yeah, close enough. That's a good mark, but hopefully it ain't lead. It's sleeting on me. Some kind of a clip. Magnetic clip. Neat. It says Flint on it and it's got a number. Probably not in business anymore. I'm sure this is old. Residential, commercial, industrial, Flint. It's got a phone number. Eh, cool. I always like finding weird things like this. Alright guys, these are the finds for the day. This was me going on zero discrimination, which I'll tell you I'm going to have to start doing more often because I'm definitely missing stuff when I am discriminating. The old farmer must have loved Paps because I found those Paps tops, this old Paps. Of course there's some Millers too. I don't know what this is. I'm guessing part of an old stanchion, maybe, because it was a cow farm. I like that chain. Revlon. I think that was Revlon. Oh, Norelco. I think it's a hair straightener. I don't know. Never dug one of them before. This I thought was really cool. I don't know what it is, but it says forged and it's got the number on it. I'm guessing for like a plow or something. Really old Hammerhead. This, I don't know what it is. First I thought it was just a stupid old nut in a bolt, but after looking it over, it's got some cool information on it. And it has a date. It says 1929 on the bottom, so pretty cool. Don't know what this is. At first when I dug it, I thought it was like an animal toenail. And then I seen it said England. I was like, oh, cool. A magnet. This is like a clip for your fridge that you would put your papers on. I thought that was cool too. I think a lot of things are cool. I just love digging it all. Lots of interesting stuff. Don't know what this is. It's a fluid side on this side and probably part of an old car. Canning lid. Bullet. Couple new age. Penny and a dime. Yeah, interesting stuff. The Outdoors is brought to you by Widowmaker Lures, quality tungsten jigs. Northland Fishing Tackle, check them out online for a huge selection of lures. Wellman's Bait and Tackle in Oscoda, Michigan. Heavy Metal Custom Lures, a great selection of plastics and more. Martese Lures, quality paint jobs that the fish desire. Cowboy Coffee Chew, a cup in a pinch. Crooked Bend, quality food plot mixes. Drake Clothing Company, quality outdoor clothing. And Shelley Shirt Shack, where all the LT Outdoors merchandise is made.
Send him to Davy Jones' locker.